Okay, right, welcome to the Sandwich200v2 unpacking report. Yeah, that's Liliana. Right, I promised, I didn't have time to do the packing bit, but I promised that I would show the unpacking on this thing, to see if it survived, basically. Alright, so this is a standard briefcase, clothes suitcase thing, and here we go. 1, 3. There's some, believe it or not, some carpet tiles which I'm going to use. Which, you think this is a rubber bath mat, right? You think rubber bath mat, carpet tiles? Well, it's a portable, compact 3D printer. And I haven't got time to go finding materials, and those materials, rubber bath mats you can get for £2.50 at goodness knows where, and carpet tiles, well, I'm sure you can find carpet tiles, so why not? If you're really feeling like objecting to this concept, look up permaculture. Look up the idea of permaculture. Google it and you'll find out what it's about. That's about. Okay, so is this coming off cleanly? Yes, that was a bit of a hurry doing this. Alright, so some of those crinkly things which I've obviously got some packaging and just put it in one. This is a 3D printer bag, nice and thick, comes out really thin, worked really well. And another one there. Let's have an inspection of this. Belt seems very loose. It's going to have to be retensioned. Is anything broken in here? Doesn't look like it. It's just wobbly. Carriage seems okay. This I had to undo from here because I just didn't have time to redesign the things. So parts for the for joining together, for joining this thing together. You just drop those into there. 1, 2, 3. Basically, I've taped foam, duct taped foam into various critical points. So that seems all right. That survived. Put that up there. Very carefully. And that out here. Seems to be okay. Hot end seems all right. And let's carefully lift this up onto its end like that. Edge. Do you want to leave that door open so we get some light in, madame? Leave that open so we get some light. Yeah, I think, apart from the belt being loose, I think it survived transit. Yeah, that's okay. Go on. Okay, so yeah, I don't think there's any major damage. That bit is okay on the box. Have a look. I'll put another piece with the thing inside it. This is a real rush job getting out the house in a big hurry. Yeah, box seems okay. Yeah, well, in case you haven't seen it, this is only 3/16 316 millimeters wide. So that's why we have quite a bit of interesting shenanigans for this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to tension those back up again and so on. But yeah, I can just basically say phew. It's a bit too loose on there, but it's alright. Doesn't look like anything's bent. That's alright, that's alright. I can't say that's a bit loose on there. Ah, yes, we have something that's cracked. Can you see here, that bit's cracked. So the other side is still on. Only got one thing broken. This particular plastic is not very strong. So I'll reprint that part, beef that up. That's non-essential, and that one is still on, so we're okay. This is the Apollo series, one from 123.3d.nl. I honestly cannot recommend it at all. They were very good. They did take it back for a refund, on a pro rata basis, which was great. And I recommended their PETG to me, which was fantastic. So I ordered some of that, and I've got plenty of that in the 3 rolls of that in the other rucksack. So yeah, great. I'm happy with that it's in one piece. I'm going to switch off. I'm going to assemble it carefully, and do a first print afterwards. Glass has moved a little bit on there, but it seems to have survived. Really, I should have packaged that up separately, but that's okay. Alright, thank you very much.